So what are we doing today, Justin? Are we doing a balloon challenge?
Balloon and getting a big giant candy.
Right, we have to pop the balloon and see what we're gonna get today. So go ahead.
Mom.
Pop one and see which huge candy we're gonna get to make today. Is that the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big candy. Big candy. Is that a big one?
Can you read it?
Big one.
What's the candy? It's a kitkat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a giant kitkat bar! Enormous. Perfect. Give me a break. Give me a break. Bring me off a piece of that kitkat bar. Look at giant kitkat. Mommy, what are you doing now?
I'm putting it on the other way, so that way it gives it that kitkat effect. Okay. How's it looking?
Good. We'll go from high because that's the best way to see it.
Okay.
Break me a piece of that little kitkat bar.
Are you super excited, Jay?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, this is gonna taste so good. Okay, shh. The baby's sleeping,
Yeah.
so we gotta stay nice and quiet. Haha, it's chocolate time.
Yum!
What are you doing? A quick taste test? How is it?
Take one.
They're good.
They're not rotten or anything.
Oh, that's good. They're not rotten. Okay. Here, put these in. Go ahead.
Yay!
Let's put some vanilla. Yeah, that's the vanilla. It's gonna make it the color of a Kit Kat by mixing these two colors.
Spread them out.
Okay, let's heat up the chocolate wafers. Hey Justin, what are we doing now? Where's the big Kit Kat going?
Fridge! Just nice and cool right out of the fridge. KitKat! So that's what the KitKat looks like, kinda. So the KitKat looks like.
Yeah.
So we are trying to wrap it up right now. Let's open it. Take that off. Take that off.
Oh my goodness. You know what we need to show them? Let's show them the original one. Want to open that? Okay, go ahead.
That's the little one, that's the big one.
Yeah.
I want to take a bite of them and see the difference.
See if they taste the same. What did we use as our chocolate that makes it extra special?
Oh no. Oh, mint chocolate.
Yes, it smells so good right now. Can I have a piece?
It's hard.
Very hard. Oh, there we go.
Ooh, there's the wafer.
Wow, look how cool.
That's the wafer. Can I take a bite of that?
Yeah, take a bite.
No, I want to take a bite like this.
Tell me how it is.
Even better.
Is that even better than the little one? You like the mint?
It's so yummy.
Oh, that makes the real one look so tiny.
I know.
one now.
Smash! Mom, smash it!
Okay, go ahead.
Oh my God. Mom, wanna eat some, Tommy? Wanna eat some? Here, eat some.
Oh, how is it? Is it yummy? He likes it. Happy dance.
That's it.
How is it, Jay? Good stuff, huh?
Thanks guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Bye! Peace out.